Hey there, welcome back to the Feeding Your Fam kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take frozen chicken breast to juicy and delicious right in your air fryer. All you need is just a few minutes, some simple spices, a little bit of olive oil, and you will have juicy chicken ready for dinner in no time. Let me show you how. Okay, to start, let's get that air fryer preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So my air fryer has like an automatic preheat button already, so I just need to turn it on and it will start preheating on its own. If you don't, just go ahead and turn your air fryer on to 400 and just let it preheat for just about 5 minutes. It'll be nice and warm when we put that chicken in. Okay, we're gonna make a really simple spice mixture that we're just gonna sprinkle on this chicken. I've got a ½ teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/8 teaspoon of paprika. Just give that a quick mix. Okay, just drizzle that chicken on both sides with a little bit of olive oil. I'm just gonna use my hand and just rub it in, just to make sure it is covered on both sides. Okay, now that we've got both sides coated with a little bit of olive oil, we are just gonna sprinkle some of that seasoning mixture on both sides of this chicken breast. Gonna rub it around, make sure everybody gets a little bit of some seasoning. Now these chicken breasts are frozen solid, but they're only gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes, just depending on the thickness of your chicken breast. These ones will probably take about 25 minutes. So let's go ahead and get these into the basket of our air fryer. Close the air fryer, and then I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes, so we're just about halfway through. I'm gonna reach in here and just give that chicken a flip so it'll get nice and crisp on both sides. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. My chicken breasts are done. They've reached an internal temperature of 165 degrees. So I'm just gonna remove them from the basket of the air fryer, put them on my cutting board, and get them covered with just a little bit of tin foil, just to let them rest for about 5 minutes before I slice into these. They already smell so good. You can smell those spices cooking the whole time it's in the air fryer. So delicious. All right, let's just keep this covered for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and dig in. They look delicious. I can't wait to try these. I can tell they are cooked perfectly. They are juicy. It's tender. And I can smell those spices, so I know it's going to taste amazing. That is good. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, leave me a comment down below and let me know how it turns out for you. I can't wait to hear. If you don't have an air fryer, you can cook frozen chicken right in the oven. I also have instructions on that. You should check it out. If you haven't already, follow along and subscribe for more family-friendly recipes. I'll see you next time. This is delicious.